Welcome back, student. Last concept of our chapter number 5, that are the variance. Let's see what is the variance. Variance, it is nothing but the sigma square, that is means square of a standard deviation. In statistics is spread between the numbers in a data. Measurements of numbers in a data. Variance is a numerical value that indicate the how widely individual group are vary. How individual group are vary means one group how much vary from the another group, that is known as a variance. Variance is numerical value how widely individual group are vary, that can be tells. If the individual observation vary greatly, the group mean of variance is a big. If the individual value observation not vary greatly, the group of mean of the variation is a very small. The important distinguish variance of a sample and the variance of population is a different, is denoted by variance of sample sigma square, while the variance of sample square. Variance of population are different and variance of sample are different. Let's calculate how to calculate the variance. There are the three values are given. On the basis of three value, we have a calculating the dx, then d square. First, how to calculate dx? First calculate the mean, that are the mean are 6. After the dx and after the we have calculating the square, and we have put the value in our variance formula, that is dx square divided by the n. Merits, it is easy to calculate, indicates the variability clearly. Variance is the most informative among the measures of a dispersion. There is another concept for the variance, that is the coefficient of a variance. Coefficient of variance, it is nothing but the standard deviation divided by the mean. CV is computed only for the data are measured in a ratio scale. Coefficient of variance, it can't compare with the absolute magnitude. When the distribution is compared have a different means. For example, mean of 7 than to the mean of a 75, it will be convey different meaning. Therefore, degree of variability must calculated. Okay. How to calculate CV? That are the two mean are given. CV is equal to 60 divided by 20 into 100, and the coefficient it is 80%. That are the simple concept of variance, mean deviation, standard deviation, and the range. I have explained in details. If you have any problem, please comment below section. Thank you.